Well, hey guys, how's everybody? I hope you're all well. Everybody's had a great day. It's a little late. It's late for me. It's after 9, I think. Thought I'd come out here in the shop and fool around. This is a project I've been meaning to get to. It's been sitting here since July. Belongs to Simple Man. He's not in any hurry on it. I've actually got a couple of his saws here. This is a true junk Paul build 200t with some Farmer Tech parts. I went through the total parts and picked out what I thought was there's only one tank in it, and most of the plastic, if not all, is going to be Farmer Tech. I picked out the better looking cylinder. There's 3 or 4 of them there, but they've all seen better days. This one has the least little bit of transfer. You can barely feel at the bottom of the cylinder. That'll about just wipe right out with some sandpaper. It's kind of a non-issue. I'm not worried about it at all, but what I'm going to do tonight is these cases feel pretty good as far as the bearings, but you can't tell nothing about bearings and stuff till you get one running and hot. These things, if you're full with one, they're always going to have in and out play, kind of like your high top pulling saws. They have a needle caged bearing in them. It just is what it is, but I hope I don't get in the way of anything here filming this. If so, I apologize, but about all I'm going to do tonight is split the cases on it. There's only a handful of bolts in them. I've done taken anything off that would be in the way of getting them out, like your, there's like a big rubber grommet that goes up here that the oil line and the oiler kind of connects to, that connects the two together to pump oil out here to the bar oiler, if that makes sense at all. There's actually a bolt under it. That one come out the driver. That's what we like. The one here, I just done one of these back in the summer. Done a full rebuild on it. It belonged to Simple Man's brother. Let's go ahead and take it felon spike. I have big felon spike to go back on it when we put it back together. Let's throw that down here in the box of parts. Camera malfunction, guys. I thought it was on. I pulled this one out. It had kicked off. But right here, I think's our last one. It was loose. That's it. That's what we like to see. Boom. There she be. Crankshaft feels good and strong. Looks good. That piston looks like it's seen better days. Looks like it's been pretty hot. If you've not seen these bearings, how they're made, maybe I can tilt it to where you can see in there. There, maybe let the light hit it there. Maybe you can see the rollers. It's a needle caged bearing. If you took apart like a McCulloch 1010 or something, that's kind of similar to that, but kind of not. But guys, as bad as I hate to say it, that's probably it for this one. Anyway, guys, anyone that watched this, I appreciate it, and like I said, we'll get into some more of it another day. Y'all have a good one.